The OpenAI public equity investing plugin helps investing teams change the way they work. It addresses one of the biggest pain points in public equity research, turning scattered company, market, and web data into a clear, actionable investment view inside one streamlined workflow. Here we're going to jump into a post-earnings analysis and understand what changed, what matters, and what to do next. The plugin leverages skills for tasks like normalizing financials, updating models, comparing comps, and bringing in key facts for post-earnings deep dives like actuals versus estimates, transcript insights, and more. Now Codex takes the plugin to the next level by bringing in trusted third-party data, leveraging Quartr for earnings calls, Daloopa for metrics, S&P for estimates, alongside public web search for market reaction and outside commentary. Instead of scattered inputs, the team gets a structured output they can actually use and trust. The output is a highly detailed, interactive dashboard built with the expert judgment of a seasoned analyst, covering what changed, what still needs proof, what's priced in, and what action discipline they should follow. It turns Quartr data into decision support with quality of print, reoccurring evidence, operating trajectory, and source-linked analysis. It also pressure tests the thesis with durable checks in bull, base, and bear scenarios. So what would typically be a slow manual research process is streamlined into one place, helping teams move from scattered information to decisions they can review, refine, and use, thanks to the OpenAI Equity Investing plugin.